There are a lot of products in the world, and the one thing every successful product needs: customers. There's no way around it. Companies know this. In order to get customers, companies have to get sales teams, they have to get a marketing team, and they have to have a customer service team. All of that can cost a considerable amount of money. So instead of spending all that money to do that, they spend it differently. They would much rather give it to you if you were able to create a sale for them. Essentially, you become their marketing team and their sales team. For example, let's say there's a company, we'll call them the Vitamin Pill Company. This company sells weight loss pills, vitamins, and detoxes. And let's say you want to lose weight, maybe 20 pounds before the summer starts. You decide you want to chronicle your weight loss on social media. You do your research and you find the Vitamin Pill Company. You take their weight loss pill, their vitamins, and their detox, and you start your 2-month journey to losing 20 pounds. Pretty soon, you'll have other people who start to follow your journey via social media. At the end of your journey, you lose the 20 pounds. Congratulations. You now have new followers on social media who all want to know the same thing. How did you do it? Well, you explain that it takes hard work and dedication, and also the products from Vitamin Pill Company. You put a link in your social media where you explain to your viewers where they can buy those products to help them in their weight loss journey, just like it helped you. Every time someone clicks on that link and buys your recommendations, you get a commission. Every time. If they buy it 2 days from now or 2 years from now, you get a commission. You don't actually handle shipping or returns. The Vitamin Pill Company handles all that. So let's say over time, your weight loss journey is viewed over 1 million times. Well, the law of numbers says that a certain percentage of people will purchase something if you recommend it. Let's say 1%. 1% of 1 million is 10,000. Let's also say that you get a $5 commission per sale. Over the lifetime of that one video that you made, you would have earned $50,000. You could literally wake up in the morning to check how much money you made the night before. This also works for books, videos, how-to guides, anything you can think of. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. This course teaches you the basics on how to set that sort of system up for yourself. This is a question that is asked a lot. There are people who make hundreds of dollars per month with affiliate marketing. There are people who make thousands. Some make tens of thousands while others can rake in millions. I know this is going to sound cliche, but you really can earn as much as you want. It really depends on how much effort and energy that you contribute. The course's goal is to give you a concept, explain that concept, and if you find value in that concept, you can run with it. So the how much can I earn question is akin to asking, once I run with the concept, how far can I run? The answer truly is, you can run as far as you want. The course will teach you the tools you need to be successful, but the effort is all yours. If the effort is there, then the sky is the limit. If not, the limit is the sky. Now you know that your effort will reflect your earnings. Let's show it in action. Here's an example of how affiliate marketing works on YouTube. Chances are you've seen this before, but you're probably unaware of what was taking place. Let's break it down. I randomly went on YouTube and found this channel. It's called Think Media. Admittedly, I don't know much about this channel, but this is the video that you'll see on YouTube. The magic, however, happens below this. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, the video is 7 minutes and 35 seconds long, and it's about the best video editing software. This channel goes over a few video editing software products available on the market. The host goes over the benefits of each software, some flaws, and personal preferences. Pretty simple. At the bottom are the links to all the products that this channel discussed. Now, anyone can click on a link to purchase the software that the host recommended. All these links are exclusive links that track back to Think Media's profile on an affiliate platform. That affiliate platform tracks all purchases that are made from those links. When a purchase is made, Think Media gets a commission. The percentage varies by company, but is generally between 15 to 50% of the total amount the individual who clicked on a link spends. Not bad, right? But wait, it gets better. Look at the date published, August 1st, 2016, which makes this video a few years old. So that means if someone discovers this video years later, as I just did, but still makes a purchase, Think Media still gets a commission. This is how affiliate marketing looks on YouTube. And chances are, like I said, you've seen these before, but now you know what they are. In order to receive the benefits of affiliate marketing, you're going to have to sign up for an affiliate platform. There are plenty to choose from. The easiest platform to use is probably Amazon. While Amazon is easier, you'll tend to find other affiliate platforms will generally pay a higher commission. During the sign-up process, you'll give the details of your name, your website, your blog or channel, your address, your phone number, your currency, how you want to be paid, how often you want to be paid, etc. You'll likely have to sign up for more than one affiliate platform. For example, let's say you're talking about cooking, and one of the companies that you want to use to promote their burn-free pans uses one affiliate platform, while the company that you want to promote to use their plates uses another. That's an example where you will need to sign up for more than one platform. A lot of times, you're not going to be able to dictate what platform you use. The products that you promote will dictate that for you. But before we can find the products, we have to find what we're going to be an expert at. Becoming an expert. Being an expert doesn't mean that you spend an entire lifetime doing something or you spend countless hours in school. Becoming an expert nowadays isn't what it used to be, but that's a good thing for affiliate marketing. Have you ever read any reviews before you tried something? We all have. We read a few and then we decide based off what we read, right? Those reviews we read weren't experts, but we take their point of view into consideration. Some people just downright listen to whatever is said if it's presented properly in a digestible manner. Here's a good example of exactly what I mean. As I'm doing this, I see on my Facebook feed, one of my Facebook friends has had this ongoing problem with acne. They found a solution to their problem and decided to share it on Facebook. A Facebook post that I just literally happened to see. This is a prime example of someone who could have used the power of affiliate marketing. Here's the post.
Hi Facebook. Some of you know I've struggled harshly with cystic acne. Well, the day has come. I have clear skin and I want to share with you guys how I did it. I'm super thrilled to share my journey. So basically, I did everything from dermatology to facials to topical creams and acne medicine. Nothing worked. I came across this video on YouTube and it changed my skin forever. Lysine is an amino acid that is key to having clear skin and healing your skin from the inside out, along with eating right and washing, toning, and hydrating your skin properly. My routine that I've stuck with since I watched this video changed my skin forever. Here it is. Only wash your face once a day, at night, so your skin has time to heal naturally and is not being stripped of the natural oils that it produces. Use apple cider vinegar as a toner after you wash. Tamanu oil to rehydrate your skin after the toner sets. Using oil is more natural and it will sink right in with the natural oils of your skin. And most importantly, well, all the steps are important, but taking the amino acid lysine is what I swear by. I take 2 extra strengths every day and I settle for 1 if my face is super clear. Also, take your multivitamin every day is extremely important for your overall health. Photos of my before and after pictures are below. You can see what this routine did for my skin in just 2 weeks. And then 4 months later, you see how my skin is completely clear. Yay! For clear skin.
When you read the post, she sounds like someone who really had a problem and finally found a solution, doesn't she? There are probably millions of people who could identify with her same issue. Not only could they identify with it, they could benefit from her regimen that she laid out. I wish I would have known that she was dealing with this and started this new solution. I would have had her monetize her experience. Here's how. In the case of my Facebook friend, she had a great opportunity to become an affiliate marketer if she had known such a thing existed or how to do it. First thing I would have had her do is chronicle her clear skin journey on YouTube or Instagram, or any platform really. I would have even called it something like, I hate my skin, or acne ruined my life. Something dramatic to get people's attention. Any title should be designed to get people's attention. When you make an extraordinary claim or say something that seems extreme, people will tend to listen just to see what it's about. So be bold. Make bold pronouncements as your title. After the title of the project, I would have had her make daily videos on the products she was using to help her with her acne. I would have had her show herself applying the lysine and the tamanu oil that she mentioned. While applying these things, I would have her personalize her thoughts on the process. I would encourage her to be herself and say what's on her mind, even the things she may be afraid of saying, but she feels. Things like how acne has affected her life, different things she's tried, the methods or lengths she has gone to conceal her acne throughout her life, what clear skin would mean if this were to work, etc. The point is to create an authentic connection through emotion. The things that she's tried throughout her life, most likely others have tried as well. When she verbalizes the human impact this has had on her, she creates an instant connection with her viewers. That instant connection usually results in followers, which brings me to my next point, creating a connection. It's extremely important to connect with your audience on a personal level. There's a saying in business, people buy from people they like. And this is a true statement. I would have had her chronicle her journey for 1 month, only using her cell phone for the video. We would have then created one 5 to 6 minute video that encompasses that month. I also would have had affiliate links to each one of the products that she used. She was so sincere in her post, that sincerity would have come across on the video. I would show the before and after photos to her and have her give her honest opinion on whether or not this was a success. Her viewers would have connected with her on a personal level and most likely looked at her as an expert on the situation. Because of her content, people who may be dealing with a similar problem would watch the video and purchase her recommendations. that would have been an affiliate marketing success story. She would have solved her problem, created a following, chronicled a journey that earned her money, and she had the potential to continue to earn money for years to come. All of this while helping others who were dealing with a similar situation. Wins all around. Unfortunately, that's not what happened. I caught her too late, but it's not too late for you. That's why it is so important to have an affiliate marketing plan already in place. You can be an expert in anything, and once you figure that out, the first thing you will need is a solid plan. That plan should include 2 specific details: what are you going to sell and the platform you will use. Answer those 2 questions and you have completed half the battle. The first question is up to you, but you should build your content around something that you're passionate about. Also, don't chase money. I'm not saying don't build a monetary strategy in your game plan. I'm simply saying find that balance. Try focusing on giving people valuable insight from your unique perspective. As in the story of my Facebook friend, she was sincere, and her approach was to just tell her story. If you do that and you're sincere, money will chase you down. If your focus is on just the money-making aspects, it can and will sidetrack your progress. Another aspect of a solid plan is your mindset. Affiliate marketing is real, and it has the ability to afford you a lifestyle that you want. Again, it depends on how seriously you treat it. One of the things is to believe. I know you heard this all before, but there's a reason for that. It's because it works. Life has a lot to offer. It's vitally important that you believe that you, not him, not her, not your cousin, not your spouse, but you really can have it all. The reason is simple. When we truly believe in something, we act on it. Belief without action is just a dream. The good thing about mindsets, you can change them anytime you want. You want to be able to think wealthy. This is an important and underutilized step. Money doesn't make you rich. Money is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the hands that use it. This part is not as hard as it seems. You're probably thinking, what can my content be that interests other people? Now, that's a valid question, and it's one that I can offer a bit of guidance. The choice, however, will be yours. First, I believe there's really nothing new under the sun. The world has a lot of people in it, and people generally aren't that different. So, if you like something, chances are other people like it too. What you choose doesn't have to be of interest to everyone. People have content ranging from talking about horror movies, comic books, cars, diets, clothing, celebrities, food, working out, kids, video games, travel, cruising, literally anything. For example, most sane people don't want anchovies on their pizza, but then there are others who wouldn't dream of eating a pizza without anchovies. Moreover, there's a segment of the population who don't even eat pizza. My point is, there's a market for whatever you choose. Some markets are bigger, some are smaller, but there's a market nonetheless. So choose something that's an interest and or passion for you. And don't worry, there's others who will enjoy it as well. If you're still having trouble choosing a topic, think about the things you watch on YouTube, Instagram, or the blogs that you read. Then emulate them. Put your own little twist on it. That's done successfully in every manner and aspect of business. Take, for example, the top 3 fast food hamburger chains: McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's. They each sell burgers and fries for the most part. They all have the colors red and yellow prominently displayed in their logos, but they put a different twist on their burgers. McDonald's, being first, are known for their speedy burgers. Burger King are known for their speedy fire-grilled burgers, while Wendy's builds their burgers as fresh, never frozen, as well as speedy. At the end of the day, it's still a burger. They just took the concept and put their own little twist on it. Several years ago, I used to read a blog called Post Secret. People would send in a postcard with their secrets on them to the blog. The blog would post the secrets weekly for the world to see. My girlfriend at the time and I liked reading the secrets. They were interesting, funny, and some were just crazy. What we didn't like is having to wait a week to get a fresh new batch of secrets. So we started our own blog. A blog where anyone could anonymously post their secret and read other people's secrets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It became such a hit that we turned it into a book. We didn't reinvent the wheel. We took a concept that we liked, put our own little twist on it, and ran with it. And you can do the same thing. Any content you choose for your blog, vlog, videos, or how-to guide should match your affiliate products and services and vice versa. For example, if you're doing something like, say, movie reviews, the affiliates you'd promote wouldn't be cat food. It'd be promoting places like Fandango, places that sell tickets. Also, remember to maximize everything you can. Literally every product genre has some sort of affiliate program. For example, if you're doing, say, benefits of green smoothies for your healthcare content, you would also promote the blender as an affiliate. Not only that, but the bottle that the smoothie goes into that can be conveniently carried would be promoted as well. Make sense? Good. Now remember, your content should always match your affiliate products. Once you get the hang of it, you can see the potential. Well, there you have it. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. My hope is that you see the value in affiliate marketing and you really run with it. More and more people are earning a living utilizing this business model. This guide was designed to give the willing learner, you, a basis on what it is, how it works, and how you can get started earning for yourself. Learning never stops. Keep learning and keep earning.